Yeah, today in this video we are going to see about how to print an hollow half pyramid or a hollow triangular pattern. So the output of the pattern when I give an input integer will be like this manner. So just look at this picture. It is similar to the previous video triangular pattern, but a main difference is inside there is no stars, right? So let us compare with the older version. So in this picture I can find 5 rows there when I put an input as 5, and just listen to the condition. So in this picture, when the number of rows, when I initialize the row with 1, so the stars are present in 1, right? In the 1th part the star is present, and when the row is equal to the 5th part the star is completely present. See here completely present, here completely present, but in the middle it is partially present. Fine. So when I give a value, if the column is equal to the initial value, that is 1, or the column value should be equal to the nth value. For example, in this picture, in the first row I have I equal to 1, j equal to 1, so that a star is present. So in the second row, in I equal to 2, j equal to 1, star is present. I equal to 2, j equal to 2, star is present. So let me look into a random example. If I tell I equal to 4, j equal to 1, so in this condition the star is present, but when I equal to 4, j equal to 2, no star is present, right? So here only space is present. So I am going to write a for loop, an outer for loop of for int I is equal to 1, I should be less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and in the inner loop for int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to n, j plus plus. So here I am going to give a condition if I is equal to 1, that is when row is 1 or I is equal to n. So see here, in the first row and final row all the stars are present, right? Or in the column j is equal, sorry, one mistake, j is less than or equal to I. So or j is equal to 1. So in the column part, in the first column all the stars are present, right? Or j is equal to I. For example, if I is 2 and at the j and the second column part star is present, and in the third row at the third column part star is present, and in the fourth row fourth column part star is present, but in between there is no stars, only space is present, right? So when I satisfy this condition I can print a star, else I need to print space. Fine. So when we execute this for loop we can get this type of pattern out of n terms. Okay. And now looking into the second pattern. So this pattern is similar to that of the first, but a main difference is this pattern is reversed of the first one. So don't get panicked, it's a very simple option. So just change the outer for loop as for int I is equal to n, I greater than or equal to 1, I minus minus. That is, I am going to print the first hollow pyramid in the reverse from 5 to 1. So here I print from 1 to 5. Here I am going to print from 5 to 1. So no changes in the other syntaxes. For int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus, if I is equal to 1 or I equal to n, or j equal to 1 or j equal to I am going to print a star, else I am going to print a space. Fine. I hope you have understood. Thank you.